In this HeyPiggy review, I'm going to be showing you if you guys can really make money by filling out surveys using this platform. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if HeyPiggy is worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software and courses. If you want to get my number one recommended strategy that is personally helping me to go from 0 to 5,000 to $10,000 per month, you can click the first link in the description. So it says here, earn real cash with paid online surveys. So in this website, all you can do is you can take these surveys and get paid for it. So if you look at these GPT style website, you can see a lot of offers. You can download apps, you can download games, you can play games and earn money. But in the case of HeyPiggy, you're only going to make money with only surveys. So that's kind of a good thing because they are focusing only on survey. But if you look at GPT style website, they focus on tasks, surveys, watching videos, downloading games and all that stuff. But HeyPiggy is niche focused and it focuses only on survey. So you can be making a lot of money with surveys when you compare it to other survey website, because it is only focusing on just surveys. So it's pretty easy how you can make money in HeyPiggy. You can just sign up here, you can take the surveys and you can get paid. So the cool thing about the survey website is that it shows how much you can be earning for every survey and how much time it's going to be taking for you guys to complete the survey. So roughly I'm going to be saying you can be earning anywhere from 30 cents to $1 for every survey that you complete. But you can see surveys that go up to $2, $3, $4 and even $7. But for the most part it is going to be 30 cents to $1. So for the most part it is going to be 30 cents to $1. So that's going to be the average on how much money you're going to be making per survey. And for every survey that you're going to be completing, it's going to take you about 3 minutes to 70 minutes. So it really depends on the survey. Sometimes it's going to be 3 minutes and otherwise it's going to be going up to 70 minutes. So that's kind of like the average time. Sometimes you'll get a huge survey which will be more than 30 minutes, but the pay is going to be really good as well. So the withdrawal session in HeyPiggy is pretty cool. So if you scroll here, you can see I have almost 155 plus rewards in which I can withdraw my money. I can use PayPal or I can choose from these gift cards. So it is going to be my local retailers that's near my town. So I have Tanish, Cafe Coffee Day, Zomato, then I have Big Basket. So these are the local retailers that I have. So I have Make My Trip, Flipkart. So based on your country, you guys will also have these local retailers. But for most people, I think PayPal would be more than enough. And the average threshold for you guys to withdraw through PayPal is $5. So you can do that, or else you can withdraw via gift card as well. So that's pretty great. And if you actually go to Trustpilot, see, I have typed in HeyPiggy, so it has got an excellent review. So it has got up to 4.6 star review in Trustpilot. So the thing about Trustpilot is that anything about 4-star is actually a legitimate company in Trustpilot. So I have reviewed the 5 stars and even the 1 star. The 1 star is pretty low, it's just 3% and 1%. But for most people, they love this app and it has 5 star. So it's a legitimate website. They do pay out. You can see all the reviews. You can go and check it in Trustpilot. So these are the review. It's all good. And we have some bad reviews as well. You can go through that as well. Now let's get back to HeyPiggy. So if you ask me how much money you can make with HeyPiggy, is that see guys, since you're making up about 30 cents to $1 per survey, I think that's the average part. Suppose you're getting about 3 to 4 surveys per day. I think that's the most amount of survey you can be getting from a survey website, because most survey website, they are going to give you one survey per week or one survey per month, but apparently HeyPiggy has a lot of surveys that it can give you. If you're coming from a good geographical location, if you're from the top 1 tier countries like US, UK, France, Germany, you're going to be getting a lot of surveys. So suppose you're getting about 3 to 4 surveys per day, you're going to make about $2 per day. So maybe if you're lucky, you'll get up to $3 to $4, but let's take the estimation as $3 per day. So the maximum you're going to be making is about $90 per month. Okay, let's just round it off and keep it $100 per month. So that's like about the maximum you can make with a survey website. And honestly, for a survey website to pay $100 per month, it's a lot of money. And HeyPiggy is an excellent platform that pays that much money. I think for a survey website to pay about $100 per month is actually pretty great. But $100 per month is not a life-changing money. It's not going to make you rich. Maybe it can buy you a few things, maybe a headphone, maybe a headphone or a speaker. That's all you can buy with $100. But it's not going to make you rich or retire or anything like that. So that's basically it for this video of HeyPiggy. If you're looking for another ways to make money online, which is not just $100 per month, if you're looking to make more money, I would recommend you guys my favorite way to make up to $5,000 to $10,000 per month, 100% free from your home. You can click the first link in the description. And now I hope to see you on another review video.